help your parents again with the glue too.
Yeah, kids.
Don't use glue by yourself.
Don't use glue by yourself.
Yeah.
So now we have 2 pieces. Like that. And then we're going to make one more of these the same way. Because we're either going to do this
Do that.
or that.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna do this, like that, and then that.
So that's how Sophie wants her bow.
Yes.
So before we glue it together, we have these other little pieces,
That we're gonna glue.
which are the shells. So we're gonna put these in the bottom to make it look full. So we're just gonna kind of eyeball it and measure. So we probably want them
Probably
about
want
this long.
tails on it too.
So we're gonna cut right here.
Okay.
Okay guys, so
We cut one of this.
got one of these.
We got 2 of these, 2 of these, 2 of these, 2 of these, 2 of these.
Okay, so these are gonna go in the bottom just to make the hair bow look really full.
Yes.
And let's start putting it together.
Yeah.
A little dab of glue.
Little dab right there. And a little bit dab.
Gonna cross them
And then again.
just like that. Same thing with these, but these aren't gonna be. They're gonna be a little bit closer together. Just put a bunch of glue there.
Oops.
Just like that.
Then we're gonna put some on the bottom.
And then we're gonna stack them like that.
Yeah.
Okay. So then we're gonna.
Can I put on?
It's hot, Sophie.
But I can put on. I'm a grown up, I can put it on.
Okay, push it down. Okay, so now this is dry, and this is what we're gonna do. It's going to kind of look like this.
Yes.
So what we did, this one, the one that's the single one, we're gonna put it like that, and then we're gonna put
Cross
this
it.
like that.
Cross it again.
Cross it again.
Cross it and
Cross it.
again.
And
Cross
again.
it again.
And
And again. And again.
Okay, so this is what we're looking at. So then we're gonna glue them all together. So glue. And it doesn't have to be perfect because you can always come back and cut it. Glue. And yes, you do use a lot of glue for this. Glue. Sorry if it's shaky. Like that. And then more glue. Like that. And the last one. Let's see, like this. Okay, so now, and make sure you have somebody else do this for you, kids, not you, because this is hot and we don't want anybody to get burned. We don't want those little fingers getting burnt. Right, Sophie?
Yes.
You're gonna fold it in half.
Mm-hmm.
And fold it like that. And
Scissors.
just make sure it's even. Fold it in half.
Good, good.
Okay, so once it's done,
Yes.
we're gonna use a little piece of felt
Yes.
to secure it.
So
So we're gonna put the glue here.
just a little bit dab.
That's a lot of glue.
Yeah.
That's
I'm
okay.
gonna put on.
Sophie's gonna put it on there. Very careful.
Make sure I get
And like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. Why? Because this is gonna hide it.
Yeah.
It'll look like that.
Yeah.
So we're gonna let that set for a second. Let's put some glue.
I'm gonna do it again.
And Sophie's
Dab it.
gonna put it in the middle.
Yeah.
The other way, baby. Like that.
Comes off.
Yep.
Now we have to wait for it to dry.
Now we're gonna wait for it to dry. Isn't that pretty?
Yes.
And then
now
which
it's dried.
mermaid tail are you gonna use?
Now it's dry. And probably purple because it's better.
Okay.
Now we're gonna need to glue it.
Now we're gonna put a little bit of glue there in the center.
Damn it, right? Boop. 'Cause
And let me do it because I don't want you to burn. Okay. And
done.
just like that. Alright guys, so now we're going to put the clip on. I just put a little bit of ribbon that was left over. Just like that, just on top. Very simple. And now we're going to turn it around. And we're going to put a little bit of felt in the back. Just a tiny bit. Just to secure it. And then we're going to put some more glue. And we're going to put our clip on here. Just put a little bit of pressure on it. Alright guys, this is what it turned out like.
Thanks for watching. Bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And bye.